Hey guys, super excited. You're welcome. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. I'm excited to bring you this amazing quick update from what is happening and what we need to take action on. Okay, so today I have this project called Akahim. Akahim is a project that has been on the radar for a while. And one of the amazing things is that it is a narrative project. And when I mean a narrative project, you're talking about a project that is leveraging on both AI for people to take the right decision when it comes to trading. And when I check out this project, I realized that it's a good project that we should all have. But like I said in several trainings, that if project does not have investors, it does not make sense for you to put your money in there. Like the first rule of money is that you want to protect your capital, okay? And you have to keep protecting your capital no matter how much you want to make money. You want to put your money in something that is extremely uh, that is extremely uh, uh, protected, something that not that you can't place risk, not that you can't play around risk, but even when you want to play around risk, you want to play around risk with informed decision. So with something, with some checklist that can help you get it done. Okay. So this particular project is an amazing project because it has a good use case, which is one of the rules I love. Number two is that is going to be launched on Binance. And 80 to 90%, or let's say 85% to 90% of projects that are launched on Binance are always doing well. So if you come to our cryptorank.com and you check the past IEOs, which are initial exchange offering, you will see that when this guy was launched, he has given an all-time high of what? Of 62x when it was launched. So by the time you click on all-time high and all-time low, you realize that there's really no project here that is in negative ever since the project has been launched. Oh, I'm not sure you got that. So that means that even if you are, even now, if the whole market is down, that you're following an informed decision, leveraging on Binance team to take the right decision, you will still be informed. You still be in profit. Now, if you check the all-time return on investment, you will see that the likes of Matic was launched. When the likes of Matic was launched on this particular on Binance, let me see if I can scroll it to the end. So you can see it was launched in 2019. Okay. Now, this was the all-time high. Even at the all-time high when it was listed on Binance, guess what, guys? People are still in profit. Those that got in then, they are still in profit of 300x, not 10x, not 5x, 300x. And that's the way it is for projects that Binance launches. Okay, so what do we have? So this is a very major reason why you don't want to miss out on Arkham. So, sir, how can I join Arkham now that this project is on? To join Arkham, all we need to do is to go to Binance Launchpad, which I'm going to be opening right now. Binance, yeah. Launchpad.binance. Now, this is not a complex thing to do at all. All you just need to do is to buy Binance, token. And if you have, let me reject it. So if you have Binance token, so this is preparation state. That means that it's going to start in less than 1 hour, 7 hours. And the rate at which is going to be listed, this is the rate is going to be listed at 0.05. Now, the only challenge we have is that we are not buying this project directly. So the requirement is only to have Binance, to buy BNB on Binance. When you buy BNB on Binance, then you come to Launchpad listing, then you click on what? Subscribe. Okay. So when you click on subscribe, it gives us, let me load it up. When you click on it, So when you click on it, this loads up, and you can see saying preparation period. So we can still put in our money. Now look at what it's saying. Subscription, you buy it, you stake it with them. This project is going to be going live on 0.05. So that is good. The token that will be available during this offering is 50 billion. 1, 2. Yes, that's 50 billion token. Now, the single initial investment is a minimum of 0.1. Now, 0.1 of BNB, let's check that quickly. 1 BNB is $250. 0.1 will be $25. So if you have $100, you can do this. If you have $200, you can do this. If you have $10,000, you can do this. Now, for a lot of you that have BNB already that is just sitting in your wallet, all you just need to do is to come to the launch pad, come to Arkham. As I've clicked on it, then you will see an opportunity to subscribe. So when you log in, here will be what? Click to join the subscription. So once you click on it, you will submit your BNB. Once you submit your BNB for the period, for the subscription period, which will be ending final token distribution on the 18th of 18th. Yeah, so this starts so it's just about 2-3 days. Okay, so make sure you submit, please. Make sure you submit your token, and you can buy right now, because let me see the position we have on Binance right now. Where's Binance? Yes, this is Binance. Binance is at $250. Okay, Binance is at $250. I see Binance going back to the top here in the next few days. Now Binance should come, because a lot of funds will come in immediately when it is launched. So a lot of people start buying. So you see this can come up like 20% or 30% on Binance. So you can even make profit from Binance, from BNB coin. But the goal is that they should give you and I the Arkham project. That is why we are doing this. So once you click on that, once you click on the subscription button, let me see if I can quickly log in. I can quickly log in. Let me see that. Go. Good. So it's telling me to send some to get my verification code. So let me get that. Here's my phone. 2730 2 verification right now. Okay, so good. So on this particular account now, I don't have BNB here. So all I need to do is to buy BNB. Then I'll come here and subscribe. Okay. Once I subscribe, then I'm good to go. So as a matter of fact, it will tell you if you have BNB here. Then you click on staking. Okay, or the button that you have here. So you will apply and you're good to go. So don't worry. We still have about a day to go. If you have any free cash on your Binance account, buy BNB, come and stake it, and acquire hacking. Now let's check quickly if what happens to the last project when it was launched. Okay, let's check. So the last project that was launched was Aptos. Aptos was launched. Aptos was open. Okay, so this is open. Open was launched at 0.0001. So if we go and check right now what open is as of today, Open Campus, that's OE. Yeah, that's it. So if you go and check as of today what open is currently at 0.6. So what it means is that if you are joined when it was listed, what date was that? It was listed 28th of April. If you are joined on the 28th of April, that particular day, it went for about 2,500%. That is 250x. Yeah. Yes, 250x. So if that is it, so let's say, for example, let me come here and check what that would have given us invariably. Because if you now have maybe 20 of this or 50 of it, any amount of token you are given, imagine how quick you can sell it. You can sell it because the first day it was up, the second day it still went up as much as 29. So all of the tokens that was claimed, this is how much you can make. Okay, so please don't miss out on this. There's several case studies I can show you. So I don't want the video to be longer than this. Buy BNB, come and submit it for staking, let it go through the subscription phase, and you're good to go. So let's make some money, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.